Heartbeat intensifies. What if I told you that the limits of human potential are far beyond what we've ever imagined, that the impossible is becoming possible every day? Visual silhouette of an athlete breaking through a barrier. Welcome to the cutting edge of human performance, where science and willpower collide to unlock extraordinary abilities. I'm Dr. Chen, and today we're diving deep into the astonishing world of human potential. Sound, achievement, Chen. Are you ready to discover what you're truly capable of? Let's begin our journey into the science of human potential. Visual brain activity display lights up, breaking physical limitations for centuries. We've been told that the human body has strict limits, but time and time again, extraordinary individuals have shattered these supposed barriers, leaving us in awe of what's truly possible. Take Eliud Kipchoge, the marathon runner who broke the seemingly impossible 2-hour barrier. Scientists said it couldn't be done, that the human body wasn't capable of sustaining such speeds over 26.2 miles. But Kipchoge didn't just break the barrier, he smashed it, finishing in 1 hour, 59 minutes, and 40 seconds. Visual slow-motion footage of Kipchoge crossing the finish line. How did he do it? A combination of perfect physiology, relentless training, and cutting-edge technology. But perhaps most importantly, Kipchoge believed it was possible. He pushed beyond what others thought were hard limits of human endurance. But it's not just elite athletes pushing the boundaries. In the mountains of Tibet, monks have demonstrated an almost superhuman ability to control their body temperature through meditation. Visual, thermal imaging of monks sitting in freezing conditions. In a study that shocked Western scientists, these monks were able to raise their body temperature by up to 17 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to dry cold, wet sheets draped over their body. This mastery over the autonomic nervous system was once thought impossible. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about freedivers. These aquatic daredevils can hold their breath for over 20 minutes, diving to depths that would crush an unpressurized submarine. Visual, underwater footage of a freediver descending into the abyss. The current world record, an astonishing 24 minutes and 37 seconds, held by Alix Segura Vendrell. That's longer than most people can hold their breath, even with pure oxygen beforehand. These feats of physical endurance are just the beginning. Let's dive into the realm of mental superpowers. Sound wash. Transition unlocking mental superpowers. While physical feats are impressive, the untapped potential of the human mind is truly staggering. We're only beginning to scratch the surface of what our brains are capable of. Take speed reading. For instance, the average person reads about 200 to 300 words per minute. But with training, some individuals can process information at rates exceeding 1,000 words per minute. While maintaining comprehension, visual time-lapse of pages flipping rapidly. Howard Berk, known as the world's fastest reader, claims to read up to 25,000 words per minute. While skeptics debate the upper limits, there's no doubt that with proper techniques, we can dramatically increase our information processing speed. But reading fast is one thing. What about calculating like a computer? Mental math champions like Shakuntala Devi have demonstrated the ability to perform complex calculations faster than a calculator. Visual split screen of Shakuntala Devi versus a person using a calculator. Devi once multiplied to 13-digit numbers in her head in just 28 seconds. The result, a 26-digit number, correct to the last digit. These mental math prodigies show us that, with the right training, our brains can perform feats of computation we once thought were the exclusive domain of machines. Perhaps even more impressive are the memory champions who can recall vast amounts of information with pinpoint accuracy. Using techniques like the memory palace, these mental athletes can memorize the order of multiple decks of cards, hundreds of random numbers, or entire poems after just a single reading. Visual, animated demonstration of the memory palace technique. The current world record for memorizing the order of a shuffled deck of cards, a mere 12.74 seconds, set by Shiji. These techniques are UND's party tricks. They demonstrate the incredible plasticity and potential of the human brain. But as impressive as these current abilities are, the future of human enhancement promises even more mind-bending possibilities. Sound, futuristic chime. The future of human enhancement. We stand on the brink of a revolution in human potential, where the line between biology and technology is blurring. Advances in neuroscience, genetics, and bioengineering are opening up possibilities that once belonged to the realm of science fiction. Imagine a world where we can control computers with our thoughts alone. It's not fantasy, it's happening right now. Brain-computer interfaces are already allowing paralyzed individuals to control robotic limbs and communicate through computers, simply by thinking. Visual person with EEG cap controlling a cursor on a screen. Companies like Neuralink are pushing this technology even further, aiming to create high-bandwidth connections between our brains and machines. The potential applications are staggering. From restoring mobility to the disabled, to enhancing cognitive abilities, to seamlessly interfacing with artificial intelligence. But why stop at interfacing with computers when we can rewrite our very genetic code? CRISPR gene editing technology is opening up the possibility of eliminating genetic diseases before they even begin. Visual DNA double helix being edited in real time. Scientists have already used CRISPR to cure sickle cell anemia in mice, and human trials are underway. In the future, we may be able to enhance our resistance to diseases, boost our cognitive abilities, or even extend our lifespans through genetic modifications. And for those who've lost limbs, the future of prosthetics is nothing short of miraculous. We're moving beyond simple mechanical replacements to advanced bionic limbs controlled directly by neural signals. Visual? Person with a bionic arm performing delicate tasks. These prosthetics can provide sensory feedback, allowing users to feel texture and temperature. Some prototypes even outperform biological limbs in certain tasks. As this technology advances, the line between human and machine will continue to blur. Heartbeat slows. Calming music fades in. As we've seen, the potential of the human body and mind is far greater than we ever imagined. From athletes shattering world records to mental giants performing superhuman feats of cognition, we're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And with emerging technologies, we're on the cusp of a new era of human enhancement. Brain-computer interfaces, genetic engineering, and advanced prosthetics promise to take our abilities even further. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we unlock these new potentials, we must also grapple with the ethical implications. How do we ensure these enhancements are used for the benefit of all humanity? Visual diverse group of people working together. The future of human potential is bright, but it's up to us to shape it. By understanding and harnessing the incredible capabilities within us, we can create a world where everyone has the opportunity to reach their full potential. I'm Dr. Chen, and this has been an exploration of the science of human potential. Remember, the only true limits are the ones we place on ourselves. What will you achieve once you break free? Sound, inspirational crescendo, visual fade to black.